Stop buying frozen chicken tenders. Instead, learn to make them from scratch. All the ingredients are in the description, as well as a link to add them to your shopping list. So let's get cracking. We're gonna start by whisking some eggs. Now in a Ziploc bag, you're gonna add your flour, breadcrumbs, and all of your spices. Okay, so for this recipe, I'm going to be using garlic salt, smoked paprika, and seasoning salt, which are just a few of my favorite seasonings to use for recipes. So after giving that a little shake, you're going to dunk your chicken tenders into the eggs, and then throw them in a bag and shake to get them nice and breaded. Oh my gosh, these are going to be so good. Okay, so now for the fun part of frying our chicken tenders. And I only do 3 at a time just to make sure that the oil stays nice and hot and you don't overcrowd the pan. So we're going to let them fry until they reach a beautiful golden brown color. And just like that, your chicken tenders are ready. Okay, y'all, so what is the best flavor combination? In my humble opinion, it is chicken bacon ranch. Watch this next video to make this delicious chicken bacon ranch pasta. And if you like this recipe, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so you never miss a recipe.